So you might be in a situation where for some reason TikTok just keeps randomly auto scrolling. So sometimes your, TikTok app might just randomly just keep scrolling even if you're just watching a video and it just randomly scrolls to another one. Now, the reason why this randomly happens, it's a really random glitch. All it is just a random glitch, and all it does is it basically kind of like thinks you're scrolling when you're not. So the first thing I recommend doing in this particular situation is to understand it's a little glitch. It happens sometimes. It happens to me all the time. And it is just a random little problem. It doesn't mean TikTok's broken or any issue like that. Now, what I would recommend doing is to go through and first of all, try updating your TikTok application. So go inside of your TikTok app like this and try seeing if you can actually update the TikTok app. A lot of the times, if you just update the app itself, that might end up fixing the problem for you. And that's exactly what I'd recommend doing in this particular situation as well. So try going through and try seeing if that ends up fixing the problem, because chances are that might end up doing it. You might also just want to understand that as you're going through and you're scrolling through TikTok, that can kind of be the problem there, that it can just randomly give you some glitches from that standpoint. And again, it's not going to be the biggest deal in the world, but that is just going to be a little small, little tiny problem. So I would recommend kind of thinking about that because, like I said before, it's not the biggest deal in the world, but that is just kind of one of those things to keep in mind there. You might also just want to close out of TikTok like this. Just completely close out of it, give it a moment, and try going back into it. You want to see if that ends up fixing it. You can also try restarting TikTok or restarting your phone. So hold down the power button, try restarting it, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it. So that pretty much covers it out there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.